Welcome to Renovationx, your go-to destination for home transformation in Dubai. If you're planning a flooring upgrade, you've probably wondered, should you go for marble or tile? Both options have their own charm, but choosing the right one depends on your lifestyle, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Today, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of marble and tile flooring to help you make an informed decision for your home. Marble flooring has long been synonymous with luxury and elegance. It's a natural stone that instantly elevates any space with its timeless beauty and rich veining. If you love the idea of a high-end, polished look, marble is undoubtedly a top contender. It reflects light beautifully, making your home feel brighter and more spacious. Plus, every slab of marble is unique, ensuring your flooring is one of a kind. But before you decide, it's important to know that marble requires regular maintenance. It's a porous material, which means it absorbs stains easily, especially from liquids like coffee, wine, and even water if left unattended. Sealing it periodically is essential to maintain its pristine appearance. When it comes to durability, marble is strong but not invincible. It's prone to scratching and chipping, particularly in high-traffic areas. If you have kids or pets, you might notice wear and tear over time. And let's talk about temperature. While marble is naturally cool, which is great for Dubai's hot climate, it can feel uncomfortably cold in winter. To combat this, homeowners often pair it with underfloor heating or cozy rugs in lounging areas. Lastly, marble is on the expensive side, both in terms of material cost and installation, but if you're looking for a premium, long-lasting investment, it's well worth it. On the other hand, tile flooring is an incredibly versatile and practical choice. With a vast range of designs, colors, and textures, tiles can mimic the look of natural stone, wood, or even marble itself at a fraction of the cost. Whether you want a modern, rustic, or classic aesthetic, there's a tile option for every style. One of the biggest advantages of tile is its durability. It's highly resistant to scratches, stains, and water damage, making it ideal for busy households. If you have kids, pets, or a high footfall in your home, tiles are a worry-free solution. Another major benefit is the low maintenance. Unlike marble, tiles don't require sealing, and regular cleaning with mild detergent keeps them looking fresh. They're also more budget-friendly, not just in terms of the material itself but also the installation costs. Since tiles come in standardized sizes, they're easier and quicker to install, reducing labor expenses. Plus, they offer better slip resistance, especially when you choose matte or textured finishes, making them a safer choice for bathrooms and kitchens. However, tiles do have their downsides. The grout lines between tiles can accumulate dirt over time, requiring occasional deep cleaning to maintain their appearance. Some tiles, especially lower quality ones, can chip or crack under heavy impact, so choosing high-grade porcelain or ceramic is important for longevity. Additionally, while tiles are great conductors of temperature, they can feel just as cold as marble in winter, though using rugs in key areas can solve this issue easily. So which one should you choose? If you want a statement floor with a luxurious feel and are willing to maintain it, marble is an unmatched option. But if practicality, affordability, and ease of maintenance are your top priorities, tile flooring is the better fit. Dubai's homes are known for their grandeur, and both materials can enhance the aesthetics of your space beautifully. Your final decision will come down to how much upkeep you're comfortable with, your budget, and the overall vibe you want to create in your home. Dubai's unique climate and lifestyle also play a significant role in the choice between marble and tile. The high humidity levels can impact marble, making proper sealing and maintenance even more crucial. Meanwhile, tile is a more adaptable option, especially for areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Additionally, the bustling urban life in Dubai means that practicality is often a key consideration. Tile flooring provides an easy-to-maintain solution without compromising on aesthetics. Another factor to consider is the resale value of your property. If you're planning to sell in the future, high-quality marble flooring can significantly increase your home's market appeal, attracting buyers who appreciate luxury finishes. Tiles, on the other hand, offer a modern and sleek look that appeals to a broad audience but may not carry the same prestige as marble. However, with the right tile selection, you can achieve a high-end appearance without the hefty price tag. For those who love the elegance of marble but prefer the durability and convenience of tiles, hybrid options are available. Porcelain tiles designed to mimic natural marble can give you the best of both worlds, luxurious aesthetics with minimal maintenance. These advanced tiles come in various finishes, from high gloss to matte, allowing you to customize your flooring to suit your personal style. Beyond just aesthetics and maintenance, the comfort factor is another aspect to consider. Walking barefoot on marble provides a smooth, cool sensation, which is perfect for Dubai's warm weather. However, it can feel too hard underfoot for some, especially in areas where you stand for long periods, like kitchens. Tile flooring, especially when installed with an underlayer, can provide slightly more flexibility and comfort, reducing strain on your feet. Additionally, if you're someone who enjoys frequently updating your home's interiors, tiles may offer more flexibility. The lower installation cost makes it easier to swap out designs over time compared to the long-term commitment required for marble flooring. Homeowners who love to keep up with design trends may find tiles a more adaptable choice without compromising on aesthetics. When it comes to custom designs, both marble and tile offer options for personalization. Marble can be intricately cut to create elegant patterns or inlays, adding a bespoke touch to your home. Tiles, on the other hand, come in a wide variety of designs, including mosaic, geometric, and large format slabs, allowing for creative floor layouts. If you're concerned about sustainability, tile flooring may be the better option. Many manufacturers now produce eco-friendly tiles made from recycled materials, which is a great choice for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact. While marble is a natural material, its extraction process can be resource-intensive, making sustainability-conscious buyers lean towards tile alternatives. Whichever option you choose, flooring is a long-term investment that sets the foundation for your home's overall aesthetic. Make sure to explore different samples, visit showrooms, and consult experts before making your final decision. Dubai's flooring market offers an extensive selection of both marble and tile options, ensuring that you can find the perfect match for your home. Are you team marble or team tile? Let us know in the comments. And if you're still unsure, book a free consultation with our experts to get personalized advice tailored to your space. Don't forget to subscribe to RenovationX for more home renovation tips, expert insights, and design inspiration. Like, share, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, drop a comment below. If you need personalized renovation advice, book a free consultation with our experts. Click the link in the description to reserve your spot, limited slots available. Subscribe to RenovationX for more expert tips, design inspiration, and exclusive renovation guides. Until next time, happy renovating. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, and if you need expert advice, book a free consultation today. Subscribe for more tips and design inspiration. Happy renovating!